we leave Paros and head for Santorini. The best way to approach the island of Santorini, we believe, is by sea. You get the unique pleasure of the rippling blue sea underneath you, the endless sky above, and as you enter the caldera, the sight of the white houses clinging to the rim of the crater. But it's not until you get to the top of the island that you get the full picture. In the center of the islands is an active, dormant volcano. Basically, that means it's still smoking, but no recent eruptions. The crescent of lands circling the volcano is what is left of the island, which is still called in Greek Hydra. It used to be one entire landmass. The explosion that scientists place at 1650 BC is thought to be the largest ever volcanic eruption. During our stay here in Santorini, we all get the opportunity to stay in traditional cave houses. These cave houses are actually dug into the hardened volcanic ash. They stay cool in the summer and warm in the winter. We check into one such place, a traditional cave house clinging to the cliffside with, of course, spectacular views.